Hi, it's Nadine from Cult of Mac, and welcome back to another unboxing video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the TimePorter travel case by 12 South. Not only is it a compact travel case that holds your watch band and all of its accessories, but it also doubles as a charging stand. First off, let's take a look at the packaging. The outer sleeve of the packaging contains all the information about the product, which I really like. Holding it for the first time, it is pretty light, and the outside has a smooth, leathery feel. Opening it up, there are a few different parts to the case. The top of the case has a hole covered by a rubber piece. This is the integrated opening. You can remove the rubber piece and replace it with your Apple Watch charger to create the stand with the travel case. It opens up to create a multi-angle charging stand. Inside the case, you can store your Apple charging cable and any extra accessories. I really like this idea. I'm always misplacing things and losing chargers, so this is perfect for me to keep my charger and Apple Watch accessories in one place. This travel case is perfect for anyone who travels or for anyone like me who needs to keep everything together. Alright, so that's all I have today for the TimePorter travel case, but if you are interested in this product, make sure to go check it out at our watch store at store.cultofmac.com. We have this available as well as a lot of other charging stands by 12 South. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Thank you.